സ്വർണ്ണക്കടത്ത് വിഷയത്തിൽ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിക്കെതിരെ ആഞ്ഞടിച്ച് ഗവർണർ. സ്വർണ്ണക്കടത്ത് സംഘത്തിനെതിരെ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് നടപടിയെടുത്തില്ല എന്ന് ഗവർണർ ചോദിച്ചു. സർക്കാരിനറിയാം ആരാണ് സ്വർണം കടത്തുന്നതെന്നും സ്വർണം കടത്തി ലഭിക്കുന്ന പണം എങ്ങോട്ടാണ് പോകുന്നതെന്ന് സർക്കാരിനറിയാമെന്നും ഗവർണർ കൂട്ടിച്ചേർത്തു. രാജ്യദ്രോഹ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾക്ക് വരെ ഈ പണം ഉപയോഗിക്കപ്പെടുന്നു. ഇവർക്കെതിരെ എന്ത് നടപടി സ്വീകരിച്ചുവെന്ന് വ്യക്തമാക്കണമെന്നും ഗവർണർ പറഞ്ഞു.
He is Chief Minister of the state. He has all the information. If he is saying so, then you should believe it. And we should ask, what action has he taken? If you know that gold is being smuggled for anti-national activities, then whose duty it is to take action against those? You should ask that question. Why action has not been taken so far? It's only after the political fallout that he has come to know about it. This is a serious thing, very serious. Who will take the? I'm asking you, who will take the action? I do not have this access to this information. Chief Minister has this access to this information. Why no? He should come forward and tell us what action has been taken by the government against the gold smugglers who are indulged in anti-national activities. He is holding the reins of power. He can't just talk to the press and take no action. Why action is not being taken? And whose fault it is if action has not been taken? Okay, please. No, this is a very serious matter. I have also read it today only. And when I go back to Trivandrum, I am going to seek a report. Why action?
You already seek a report on phone tapping.
No, that is about the phone tapping. But what he has said yesterday or when it appeared in the papers today, yesterday. What he has now said is something of very extremely serious nature. The government knows that there are groups who are smuggling gold to indulge, and they are using that money for anti-national activities.
Do you think the police or government supporting them, like the smugglers?
Baba, this is not for me to speculate. My duty is to... The question which you should ask is that what action government has taken against these groups.
Did you seek a report on this issue?
I have already told you, I have come to know about it right now. To me, this is a very serious matter. I would like to know what action has been taken by the government against them. And since when they know that these smuggling, gold is being smuggled and this money is being used for anti-national activities. Is it something recent, which the information which they have received, or they know about it since long time? If they know about it since long time, then what action have they taken?
What is your opinion?
I don't give opinions.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
ന്യൂസ് ഡെസ്ക്, കേരള കൗമുദി.